Welcome back to the bi-weekly Tuesday Tech Tip from the Kane County ROE. My name is Phil Morris, Director of Operations and Technology. Texting has become an essential part of our lives. Whether it's for business or personal use, text groups are an efficient way to communicate with multiple people at the same time. However, with the constant barrage of notifications, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Today, we're going to focus on some tips and tricks on how to mute your text groups and create a text group on your phone and make the most out of your text groups. Muting your text groups can be a lifesaver. It's a simple process that can be done on both Android and Apple devices. On Android, tap the text group names, select notification, and then choose your setting. On an Apple device, tap the group icon and then turn on hide alerts. Creating text groups is an easy process but must be done across the same platforms. iPhones to iPhones, Android to Android. On an Android, using messages from Google, open your messaging app, click on the group names, then click on the pencil icon to edit the name. On the iPhone, open your messaging app, select the group email you would like to name, and click on the group icon, and then you click on Change Name and Photo. Keep in mind, if this isn't done with users using all the same phone platforms, this feature will not work. Finally, let's discuss some tips and tricks for using text groups effectively. Make sure to name your text group something that clearly identifies its purpose. This makes it easier to find and manage later on. Avoid sending irrelevant or off-topic messages in that text group. This keeps that conversation focused and ensures that everyone stays on the same page. And don't forget, be mindful of the frequency and timing of your messages. Sending too many messages or sending them at inappropriate times can be disruptive and annoying to other members. Text groups can be a great way to communicate with multiple people efficiently, but they can also be overwhelming if not managed properly. Make sure you are making the most out of your text groups and avoid the stress of constant notifications. Visit kaneroe.org/TuesdayTechTip for other tips and resources, and don't forget to share this video on your social media feeds.